Albert Bierstadt's The Falls of St. Anthony. In Albert Bierstadt's The Falls of St. Anthony, the painting expresses several traits of the Romantic age. In this painting, one might notice that there are some small humans in the lower left-hand corner. They have reached the edge of land, and can go no further because of the enormous waterfall pouring into the river or pond below. One might also tend to notice how more light is focused on nature than it is on man, because of the way the sun is positioned. As the painting depicts its themes, the onlooker might pick up hints of human insignificance, dominance of nature, and the ability of nature to resist the control of humans. In the lower left-hand corner of this painting, the men portrayed are small and undefined, showing that they are insignificant compared to the nature of this painting. The men have appeared to reach the end of their journey because the water is coming off the waterfall and keeping them from proceeding any further. This instance of nature controlling what humans are allowed to do shows human insignificance. Along the shore, in front of the men, is a canoe with what appears to be a man in it. It appears that the canoeist is attempting to travel upstream, but the current from the waterfall is giving him a hard time. Not only does this particular instance prove the insignificance of man compared to nature, but also the canoe, which could be viewed as technology of the time, so it shows the insignificance of technology, which was very important during the Age of Reason. The waterfall is also the focal point of this painting, not just symbolism. It is spread throughout the middle of the painting, and you're supposed to pay closer attention to that than other things, such as the trees and the men on the left, or the trees further in the background. The lighting of this painting is also quite important to the message that it portrays. Throughout the whole painting, there is only one section where there is no light, and that is upon the land where the men stand. The trees are blocking the sunlight from reaching them, which is keeping them in the dark. The waterfall, along with the trees and the small island in the presumed river, are shown off because of the way the sun is positioned, and how it shines the light across the whole painting, displaying the purity of the nature. As we look at paintings from the Romantic period, we tend to see common themes that go against what was said by the Age of Reason and the Puritan periods. Themes such as human insignificance and the dominance of nature are just a few things that are commonly shown during this period, and Albert Bierstadt's The Falls of St. Anthony is no exception.